are in Aarambaug in Mumbai, the heart of Khoja heritage. And we are really privileged here to be with the Mumbai Jamaat team, with the President Ali Bhai Shroff, and we are literally at the center of the Khoja wall with the Mumbai Khoja martyrs. And we have come to pay our respect today to Lalji Sajan and Hirji Alaraki and all the others who have sacrificed their life. What I find great about this Kabrastan, Ali Bhai, is that you and your team have put the highlights of the Kabrastan starting with this Khoja wall. So when our kids, when the elders come and they go and recite Surah Fatiha, the first thing is they will know their elders, those who have contributed, so there is a meaning when they recite Surah Fatiha. But I hear you have done something more as well in the Kabrastan. Maybe you can allude to that.
So during this Khoja Heritage Day, what we've done is, we plan to highlight a few of our elders, who have contributed phenomenally to the Mumbai community, and we've also, I think it was the grave of our first president, Haji Vishram JP of 1901. So I'll just take you to his grave as well.
First president of the Jamaat.
First president of the Jamaat. And the first treasurer of the Jamaat, that was Ghulam Hussain Bhai Allu Murad ji, who is also the donor for the Ghulam Hussain Allu Murad Trust at Bandra. He also donated a graveyard, he also donated a Musafir Khana, he also donated a mosque, which is now famously known as the Khoja Necessary Mosque at Bandra. So inshallah I take you there as well, and this is all our rich heritage that we try to preserve, and I'm very thankful to the World Federation to have compiled this, to Murabbi Razali Bhai Hirji, to Murabbi Hassan Bhai Walji, who have worked over the years, and each leaf from the Khoja history they have got and compiled it together for the next generation.
This is the base for the Khojas, the starting point. And I look forward to a surprise tomorrow at Mumbai, inshallah. We will leave that as a surprise. Inshallah.